How to enable mouse cursor size and color on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to change your mouse size and pointer color on Windows. Let's begin. Start by going over to your settings menu. So from start menu, I'll just open up settings quickly. Now to actually access your mouse pointer settings, you want to find the accessibility tab on the left hand side. From there, you can find mouse pointer and touch. Click on it. Here you can easily change your pointer style as well as size. Now to increase the size, you just go ahead and drag this on the right hand side and your mouse pointer size will be shown right here, just like so. Now to decrease your size, you just move it to the left hand side, just like that, and you'll be good as well. To change your pointer color, you can select from different colors that are available here. And if you want to set a custom color, you can just click on it and select any other colors from here. You can even choose another color from here on this color wheel and set your custom color as well. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.